Here with BMC Facilities, bringing you Minutes to Save Thousands. Minutes to Save Thousands is a program that we put together to bring you the tools to easily spot check problems early in the game to potentially save you thousands of dollars in costly repairs down the road. Look forward to you joining us.
Morning again. Next thing we want to do on the roof, we want to check any condensing units that we have. These are remote units that go to things like ice machines, salad bars, walk-in coolers, walk-in freezers. They put off a lot of heat and they're really noisy, and that's why they're mounted on the roof. Some of the things you want to look for in these is a lot similar to your RTUs. You want to make sure that these fins are not smashed over and restricting airflow. Service provider can comb those out. One of the big things that you want to make sure is that the refrigeration lines that come from this, because the refrigeration's cold going back down to the unit, you want to make sure the insulation's intact. It's important that the insulation's in good shape because it's going to help, especially when the ambient temperature is way up over 100 on your roof. You want to keep those lines as cool as possible for it to be as efficient as it can be. And then you want to make sure that there's no frost. And in this particular unit here, we do have a little bit of frost building up on this evaporator. And that's not a good thing, because when you see these lines freezing up and there's ice on them, that means that the unit is either low on refrigerant or something else going on with it. It's probably best to go ahead and have your service provider check it, because you don't want it to just shut down on you and then you got to get an emergency call in to get it taken care of. So look for ice, look for frost on these things. Make sure your insulation's in good shape. Once again, you have a disconnect just like you do with an RTU. You want to make sure that the wiring's all in good shape. And then you're going to have these boots. And what these boots do is, this is where the lines go down to the actual unit in the store. You want to make sure that they're sealed good. There's no place for water to get in them. Make sure that they're tight, and it's always a good thing. Make sure, like I said, that the wiring, there's no naked wires hanging out. So that's what you want to check for. And like I said, you're typically going to have these when you've got ice machines, walk-in coolers, walk-in freezers, salad bars. These are particular ones here for a salad bar. So another thing that's just a few minutes of your time, you can check it, stay ahead of the game. So stay on top of your condensing units.
And in closing, visit us at minutestosavethousands.com for a downloadable checklist, more videos, and our own Android and iPhone apps that can help your minutes save you thousands.